Okay, this is what I have set aside for us so far, and I'll show you some other things. So you're going to tell me no, leave that, or yes, take it, if it's not here in this pile. All right, so we got this espresso maker that you also can make cappuccino because it's got the thing to steam the milk. That's the typewriter. Lauren said she doesn't want it, so I'll probably put that back unless somebody else wants it. There's two choppers. There's this one and there's this one. So I figured I'll take one of those if somebody wants it. That's a drill, better than the drill I have. So if Joey doesn't want that, I'll take that. Of course, this is the set for Lauren. I noticed that there's 17 cups, and there was like 25 of these cup saucers. So I only took as many saucers as there were for cups, and it looks like I got everything else that goes with it, including the sugar dish, which I found. There's the colored bowls. Will broke the yellow one, so I figured we should take the last three. They gave us these. This is an espresso pot that you put espresso in after you have it, and I have the whole set of espresso, and that's just a shot glass. Your snow babies are in there. I'm going to wrap everything up much better. There's the, that gray pottery stuff. I'm missing the salt shaker. I cannot find the salt shaker. There's Will's pistol this is part of Lauren's thing, so I'll put it over here. Okay, so she has that. This is also part of Lauren's thing. It looks like there's two. I don't know, one for sugar and one for salt. I don't know. And there's Williams. And I also found this one, the actual original wooden one that Nanny used to put the garlic in. Marietta thought we'd like to have this colored bird. She's kind of pretty. There's some things next door. I'll probably add that to the video too. So let me know if you want that. And then there's this pretty vase. And another little beaker inside. It's got some stuff on it. That's the picture I did of Nanny and Poppy. And behind that is the Bertolini picture. This is just a box with books and stuff, memories and things like that. Nothing I'm going to leave, but we may end up throwing some of this stuff away once I get it there. Alright, and then let me show you what else is here that we dug out. There's definitely nothing back there you want, but there was this candy dish. It's kind of nice if Marietta doesn't want it. It says it's painted with 22 karat gold. I know you don't want this. There were these shells, like the shell we had. I always wondered what happened to these. I ended up finding them in the garage. And there's this quartz thing, if anybody wants it. I think I got that for Nanny. I'm taking these bowls. I'm always looking for these metal bowls. I don't know how they ended up here. So I'm taking those metal bowls. I like those. There's an ice chest. Nice ice chest if you want that. Alright, nothing here. Okay, in the water, in the, cabinet, there's an oil and vinegar thing. Really heavy lead crystal. There's also this candy dish. Very heavy. And this bowl says it's whatever that says. Alright, pretty. And this little vase. Nobody needs that. Sell it at the garage sale. Then there's these 4 glasses that'll look like this. And another little flute thing. And that's actually a whiskey bottle shaped like a duck. I got that little vase. I don't think this is anybody special. Made in China. Nobody's actually taken that yet, but I have a feeling Joey's going to take that. Alright, let's go over here. Okay, so these are the other plates. Hopefully Gina will take these at some point. Marietta will store them. Very, very strange. I only found 1 cup. So I have no idea where the cups are for this. You got all the saucers, but no cups. There's these 3 cool martini glasses. This one has little holes in it. See? It's a nice big martini glass, and then these 2 little martini glasses. If you want those, I'll wrap them up. I think there's anything else here that you would want. There's 2 little pots, one with sugar. Again, those are espresso pots. This is a whole box full of espresso individual cups that Nanny had collected, and just a couple more pots. I'm sure you don't want that. Do you want that baby stuff? Needs batteries, and one of those is missing a ring, but let me know if you want me to bring that. Okay, then in the kitchen, it's a half-empty bottle of Sambuca. I'm just going to leave that. There's these pineapple things. Do you want them? There's 6 of them. Some glasses and some mugs. A couple of serving plates. Mary would probably just donate those to them. I think that one's actually from a microwave. And then there's all these cool glasses. I'd hate to have to wrap these up, but I bought the box if you want them. There's whiskey sour glasses. All different glasses. These are 2 little aperitif glasses that I always like to take a sip out of. And then some brandy glasses. Okay, and then last but not least, there's pots. I'm definitely taking some pots. I'll go back there and show you what pots I'm taking. But there's this strainer and this pot. Let me show you. Nice long pot. And that one does have a cover that fits. And then there's this pot. This would be big enough for our lobsters. If you want that, there's another strainer. I took one of these big pots, so we got one of these that has a cover, but I could take 2 if nobody wants it. And then there's that big giant strainer if you want that. That was kind of buried underneath the frying pan. We don't need that. There's the soup, and there's a coffee pot, and there's a sauce dish. Okay, then here we got really cool silverware. This is, got to be polished. It's got some pretty neat silver stuff in here. But this is a whole set of sterling silver with the knives and everything. Serving spoon, and all the forks and knives. My mother always wrapped it back up very nicely. It's got this wooden thing. Some stuff that's never even been unpacked. It's nice wood. It's a really cool knife. A slice of meat we don't eat, but anyway. So let me know if you want that. Oh, also in this box there's these, hold on, Cartier salt and pepper thingers. Alright, so tell me if you want those. Let me see if I missed anything. This is just all stuff we have to go through yet. I didn't even go downstairs. There's all these coats. There's a raincoat. You can see there's a raincoat in here. This kind of beige raincoat that would fit Will if he wanted. There's this fur coat. I think it's going to just all go to Goodwill. But there's this down jacket that would fit Michael. It's kind of small. Some gloves and stuff. Alright, let me shoot over to Marietta's real quick. I forgot that she has a thing that she wanted to see if you wanted it. Hope everybody's having a wonderful time. I'll be there in a second. There's her cat. It comes for food. She's got a squirrel, a couple of squirrels, and a cat that come. Alright, I'm here at Marietta's house. I'm recording. I wanted to show Carrie this. This is the only thing that you wanted, right? You don't want it?
No.
I don't know if you remember this, but it's kind of pretty. Not this, just that.
And what about the lady with the chicks?
The lady with the chicks? That's a Ladro, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, maybe Joey wants it. Carrie, let me know if you want the lady with the chicks too. That's it? Alright. I'm going on 10 minutes.
That's really it.
Alright. I'll load it up now.